you got a real solution. Well, you know, we all love to see the plan. Shoo-be-doo-ah-ah, shoo-be-doo-ah. You ask me for a contribution. Well, you know, we are doing what we can. While people who are minded with people with mindset, all I can tell you is, Bobby, you have to wait. But you know it's gonna be alright. But you know it's gonna be alright. But you know it's gonna be alright. Yeah. Constitution, well, you know, we all want to change your health. You tell me that it's institution, well, you know, you better free your mind instead. But if you go carrying with visual charming now, gonna make it anyone anyhow. But you know it's gonna be